Hi everyone and welcome back to a new daily recap, trading gold on the 1 minute time frame aiming for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Before I show you all the trades that I opened today, if you want to support me, please subscribe to the channel because I saw that 80% of you watching the video is not yet subscribed. Okay, so today at the beginning of London Open, as you can see, price started to go higher and I expected these relative equal highs to be swept. So I was aiming at Asian session high. And as you can see, like immediately at the beginning of London Open, this fair value gap formed. And once this candle closed above the fair value gap, I decided to enter long. As you can see, the spread filled me up here, but it was not a problem. I placed the stop loss below the low formed inside the fair value gap. And I closed it at the Asian highs, so I took 1 hour, which is a really nice day to start the day with a nice TP. And of course, the trade would have made like 6 hours, but I don't really care because as I already said, right now I am aiming for 1 hour trades because I want to focus on consistency, on profits, and I don't really care about these big moves. And also as I said, I was aiming at these Asian highs because I didn't know if price wanted to reverse from there. I only knew that price wanted to reach that levels. So that is why I decided to close the trade right there. Right after that, as you can see, this swing high was taken with the London Open move and price started to go lower here. And as you can see, there was this value gap that I expected to be inverted, okay, and it did, but I wasn't ready to short. And after price entered this fair value gap and started to go lower, I was there and I wanted really to go short because I was confident that price wanted to go lower. And especially I was aiming at this 50-minute fair value gap, as you can see. And right here is where I was there almost ready to open the trade short, which would have been this one, okay? And as you can see, would have made 1 hour, but at the end, I didn't open it. To be honest, guys, I think the reason why is that I just made a profit and it was it's been a few days that I started the day with a loss and I kind of want to protect my win and I didn't want to lose. So I know it's a psychological mistake by my side, but it is what it is. I'm trying to gain confidence trading the 1 minute time frame because I'm not used to do it. But yeah, that's what happened. And after that, as you can see, price didn't really move much. The rest of London Open was consolidation. It went higher, but no setup formed for me. Then there was this big move to the downside into this 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, so this one, as you can see. And from here, I wanted to see how price would have reacted. But at 8:30, there was news, PPI, if I'm not mistaken. So I wanted to wait. And as you can see, price wasn't really impacted. But after that, price started to go higher. And again, the same situation occurred because first there was this setup, okay, this long, which I missed because I wasn't at the chart. I was doing something else. So I don't really mind this trade that I missed. But right after that, I got in front of the charts. And as you can see, right here is where I wanted to go long, placing the stop loss below this low. And I didn't. So yeah, the reason is essentially the same because the setup was aiming at these equal highs, okay? And as you can see, 1 hour was approximately here, okay? Yeah, it would have gone well, of course, but yeah, as I said, I kind of wanted to protect my win. I didn't want to end the day with a loss, okay? And I know it's a mistake, I shouldn't think that way, but today, this is how it went, so I can change the past. It's just important to recognize your mistakes when you make them and act on them in the future. And right after that, as you can see on the 50-minute time frame, it formed this fair value gap. Price entered inside the fair value gap and then inverted all of these gaps. So here is where I thought about, again, opening a trade. And as you can see, I would have made my 1 hour, okay, aiming at not this high because it was already taken, but this high right here, okay. And of course, it would have gone well, but again, at this point, I thought, okay, probably today I won't open any more trades. But I was wrong because after that high that I showed you was taken right here and price swept this high, I saw this fair value gap being inverted. And I thought, okay, I didn't act on the previous setups that I saw. They all went well. So I said, okay, right now I will open a trade. So once this candle closed and inverted the fair value gap, I enter short, placing the stop loss above the eye. And I was aiming at lower prices. But as soon as I entered, price immediately started to go higher. And here was the moment where I said, please, please go down. Please, I prayed so hard, guys. And I don't know if you also do that, but sometimes when your trades start to go towards your stop loss, I start praying. And today, the Lord gave me an opportunity because as you can see, price went lower right here, but for the spread wasn't really a break even. It retraced higher and then went lower again. And here is where I closed the trade, losing like $20. So it's basically break even. And as you can see, if I didn't do that, I would have been stopped out fully. So I consider this a win, even though the setup that I originally opened wasn't okay. But yeah, as you can see, like these types of trade, I'm not really comfortable. I prefer to open, as I said yesterday, the trades with the fair value gaps because I'm not really confident with these inversions. But yeah, in the end, all worked out pretty well. So yeah, I'm pretty happy like for how the day went. Honestly, I should have done way better because as I told you, there were many setups that I could have opened. I was there and I didn't, and they all went well. So today could have been a banger of a day, but it's better a small win to build confidence rather than just losing, okay? This is my ftmo dashboard, and as you can see, these are the two trades that I opened. And this is the current status of my ftmo account. As you can see, my balance is at minus 2.8%. So yeah, we went lower immediately, but right now, maybe we will start to recover. But that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next few days with new day recaps.